Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to duplicate a clip in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download the Wondershare Filmora application. But now when you do that, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left side, we have the File, Edit, Tools, View, Export, and the Help option. And we also have the Media, Audio, Titles, Transition, Effects, Elements, and the Split Screen option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and duplicate a video in Filmora. So first of all, what you need to do is go and click on and put a video inside of Filmora. So I'll be going and choosing a video, but you can go, of course, choose a video. This will be a sample video for me. I'll be putting the video inside. Now what you need to do guys is go and drag it and drop it in the timeline so that you can go and export it. You can go and change it, do whatever you want with the actual video. This will be the thing that will be exported. Now what you need to do to actually go and duplicate the video is go and choose the two options. So basically you can go and click on the video, right click on the video, and here guys you can go and click on copy or cut. So you can go click on Control X or Control C and then just paste it by clicking Control V, and that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow this channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.